Hi, this is Judy Baston, and this video is going to cover part of your discussion assignment on finding a topic and narrowing it. You should have already been looking in Google. So you really maybe don't have a topic, but we're giving you some kind of guidance saying find something in your career that you're interested in researching, and then from there you would be looking in Google, trying to see what's interesting, and then from there go to Deets Library. So this video is covering how to search Deets Library to sort of find a topic, focus it. We're going to first look at the research guides. So you have your career, and so you'll try to focus it where it goes here, kind of in these kind of very broad, very broad topics here. The example in the discussion is under leadership. So I'm going to click leadership. This goes into a guide that has a place where you can actually search from here. But then you can also look at books. It has other databases that you can go in and look at if you would prefer something smaller. And then there are also some websites. What we're going to focus in right here is we're just going to type in leadership, because again, you're just sort of exploring. If you want to, you can. If you found something in Google, you can put in another keyword that is required later on. It's up to you. You do want to have full text because you will have to use one of the articles. And right now we don't need peer-reviewed. You will need that again later on. This is just the initial exploration. And so it's giving us a whole bunch of different sources. There's up comes first some book sources that you can kind of go through. Maybe there's a chapter that's interesting. If you're like, well, I'm really rather look at some magazines or newspaper articles or journal articles, so you can click on those and change it. Now, once you find something and you're like, I'm really interested in this topic, let's see, leadership behaviors or skills. Then the second part of the discussion is you'll go back into Google and type in those, add that keyword in. I don't know why this adds in leadership. It's very odd. It puts it in already for you, which I'm not quite get. But notice, I also want to point out too that it also will give you like popular terms too to help you too. Like, I'm interested in leadership and motivation. So that'll help you too if you don't find anything in an article. And you're searching again. Now you are required in the second part to look for an academic journal. Although, please, you can keep those books, keep those magazines, keep those websites from Google, because we will be using all of those later on for your paper. Just for this discussion, you just have to find a journal article. But if you find other great things, please keep them. So now, some of these have like a full text finder. I think you have to click on it, it'll take you someplace else. But these do have full text here, so you just click on them and you can read the article. And this is full text from Eric. So sometimes you have to look around to find the full text. It's right here, and you click on it and you see the article. Sometimes it'll be a little easier and you download the full text. In this one, we have a full text finder. Let's see if it'll open. Oh, and this is open access, so you just click here and you would get access to it. So you just have to kind of look around and just check things out. Like I said, you're just going to find one thing that really works. Here you can just click either the PDF full text here, or if I click here, the PDX full text here, and it'll have the full text for you. So this is very much exploration. You do need to find one journal article to add to your discussion with a APA citation, which is there are links to help you with that. But of course, at any time, please contact me with questions. Of course, you can email me. But also, I would like you, if you're having issues and having questions, put it in the discussion, and it's always good to help. If I help someone in the discussion, it'll help other people too, because I'm sure you're not the only one with the questions. So I really encourage you to do that. So this is just a basic searching the Deets Library for your topic.